Welcome back, everyone. I know it's been a while, but we've been working on something really big.
Yeah.
For you guys, well, for us really. It's probably one of the best days of our lives.
It's something that we love it.
Yes.
But I think you appreciate what we've done, where we get to, but that's just in a few seconds.
You probably can't tell just from the background, but
really.
We're about to show you. It's been a long time waiting for this. We've been working really hard on this, and
that's to be fair, that's the biggest achievement that we've got so far. And that's something that you might think, yeah, everyone need that.
I mean, I think they can tell already. Are you guys ready for this?
Not really.
Watch it. Bam! Yes, that's right. We got a unit finally.
We got lift, something that actually we really needed.
Yes, a lift.
That's all as we want, but it's a lift. Don't have to lay under the cars anymore.
Yeah, no more working in the rain and the shit weather. We got all our stuff that was on that little tiny garage.
And
everything is here.
You have your car here or whoa,
yes,
whatever,
my car is here.
And still got space to work on it.
Yeah, no, look how much space on that side. Yeah, look how much space on this side.
I can put my hands here.
Yeah, and look how much space in the back. Do you know what I mean?
That's a additional rack.
Yeah, that's the only thing is additional here.
And
we got a sofa, we got a kettle, tea and coffee, we got a fridge, Corona's incoming, we got all sorts. It's, oh my god, it's really good. The only thing we haven't got yet, but it's coming, is a toolbox to go in there. We got a big toolbox coming, which is the exact same size of this table. So we have the table here for now, but then big toolbox in there.
Everything inside, what we need pretty
much.
Yes. Pliers, not pliers, screwdrivers, keys from Alan.
Not that we don't have any of that, but everything's going to be on the toolbox. Toolbox comes with tools, obviously we'll show you that when it turns up.
Finally we got space for our banners.
Yes, the banners.
You can see them all.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Yeah.
We would like to go with them actually. You know where? To the
Sports
nice place.
ones,
not only there, but to see Adam and Z compound with him, but we didn't win.
Yeah, but that's really cool. Really cool. And today is Peter's birthday.
Oh yeah.
Happy birthday, mate.
My first 20s.
20. He's been 20 for about 10 years. 12 actually.
Oh yeah. Not too much.
I'll give you guys a quick tour, see everything. So this is at the door. This is gonna be our metal beam. We're gonna cut the top of it, and all the metal goes in there. This is all our fluids, so our oil, brake fluid, you know, all the shebang. Got one of the toolboxes there. This is all our like power tools and fittings up there and all that kind of stuff that we'll use on the cars. This is obviously, like I said, toolbox and all that. It's gonna go in there. Still loads of space for activities there. And this is Peter's racking. We've got a racking coming for Derek. It's gonna be over there, but we haven't got it yet. That's my racking for all the parts that are going into that. And this is for the project car that is gonna be here eventually in a few days. Obviously the braking area where we have, you know, a little rest and chill for a bit and all that stuff. We got a nice table with a vise in there. Obviously still have to organize a little bit. The lighting here is actually really good, which, you know, before by 4 o'clock we had to go home because couldn't see nothing. And over here is where we're gonna have like the press. We also gonna have a compressor, a low noise compressor coming over this side.
A spring compressor as well.
A spring compressor to change the shocks and that. And yeah, we have loads of stuff coming.
What we will need is that little ramps that you drive on. So
oh yeah.
For the low cars that we're gonna have.
Yeah,
like
we haven't tried to put this on a lift just yet. We had another cars there because we had some clients' cars this morning. But we haven't tried that. So actually, should we try it?
Yeah, let's
go. Should we
go.
try with that and lift?
Yes.
Let's do it. we're definitely not putting the car on a lift without ramps. So Peter's got some bits of wood.
We're gonna find out if it's gonna work out.
We're gonna find out if it's gonna work out.
And,
Maybe just about enough, because as you guys see, where's the light? As you guys see, it's just about, but not about enough. This is up. Well, it's not up. It's lined up. So.
are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Go on.
Hold on.
The pose. Go on. Well, let's quickly check it out, see what's up over here underneath. The one thing about the lift is it's not a very tall lift. This is as high as it goes, and it's not like I'm the tallest person in the world at all. So, yeah. But, you know, it's a lot better than working on the floor. Look at that. Oh, looking good actually, mate. Looks very good underneath here. Nice, very dirty. Can even see the BC logo in there. Because it's so dirty. Looking nice. Looking good. Probably needs to get some understill done. Got some surface rust. So now we go a lift, we can address all that. Looking good.
There's nothing you can say
Oh no, it's
bad about it because it's
actually
looking good.
Yeah. All the drift work on. Here you can, we're gonna address all this stuff, make it all brand new again. You know, my alignment. It's actually pretty good actually. The mark's still there in the right place. Cool.
Yeah, with a seals we can do the same thing what I did in my car. Still brushed this again,
Yeah.
and then literally put under seal, not paint this time.
Yeah.
Do it properly.
Do it properly. Nice, I'm happy. I'm very, 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 very happy. It's such a game changer having a lift.
So nice.
Look at this view,
All
guys.
wheels at the same time.
Look at this view. Dang. That's really fucking cool to have a lift. And look at how much space you still have. It's like, I know for some of you guys this is probably, you know, whatever, but for us, that we've been working out of a council garage like since forever, having a space like this is absolutely, it's like a dream. It's a dream. Like, we worked really hard to be able to have this, because it's not cheap, we are not rich, we actually have normal jobs and we just do this as a hobby kind of thing, like probably most of you do. So, you know, having a place like this and be able to afford it is not the easiest thing in the world.
That's like for some people having a nice car that they always wanted. But not that.
I have a nice car that I always wanted. But yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean, like.
That's for like no car people, that sort of, you know,
Yeah.
thing it is.
Yeah, really, really cool. See the wheel bearings? Have a quick wheel bearing check.
Nothing?
Nothing? Nice. Because I have a big problem with wheel bearings. Little play.
Gentle.
Gentle play. It's okay, we have plenty of spares. That noise is... Yeah, 100% the diff. Well, the diffs, eh? That's one of the
You
things...
shouldn't have that much play when I'm like moving.
Yeah, I can hear it right here, right, is the
Yeah,
diff.
I know, but I'm just, if it should have that much play.
I mean, 350Z diffs are known for, you know, especially when they're welded. They're not... So how it works, quick lesson time. How it works is, if you hold this, I explain. So you got the gears, right, and they all go together, right? If it's really, really tight, yeah, there is no space for the oil to get into it, yeah, and keep things lubricated. So that's why it's a little bit play between the gears, so there's enough space for the oil, and so they're not chewing each other, right? So that's why diffs have a little bit of play. When the diff is an open diff or LSD and all that, you don't notice so much because stuff is not so tight. Like, but because it's welded, you know, when you turn one wheel, like this, because the other wheel is like got a little play, makes this noise. Do you see what I mean? I hope you guys understood that. That's why it makes noise. Although this diff is not the best, it's actually full of metal, but it's such a big job to take it out, especially when you're working outside and it's winter and we live in UK, it's shit. So we got a new diff, and that diff there was a LSD that's been welded, and we all know that's not the best. So we've got now open diff out of another 350Z. If you've been watching the channel, you know exactly which one. That is going to be welded. I've got some plates to weld it as well to make sure it's nice and strong, which they are somewhere. I'm about to find it. Yeah, so this is the plates I'm talking about. So yeah, it goes right between the gears. It's like made to perfection, you know. It probably sits in the gears and you weld it. In fact, I've got two. The other one is here. Yeah, so two of them, so one in each side, because it's two open bits inside the diff, if you've never seen one. So it's nice and strong and be a lot better, because this diff is not great, and that's probably don't help with the noise and all that. And even when I'm driving, I can hear like the metal inside grind, like. So yeah, that diff is definitely getting replaced within time, because it's still not broken, and it's a drift car, so we wait till things are broken.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
I don't know, but Derek's car is on lift. What's going on, Derek? What's wrong with it?
So I'm still getting the knocking noise from the passenger rear.
From the passenger rear.
Yeah.
Peter?
Passenger rear. Yeah, we found the problem.
What?
Well, do you remember when, like a few months, I think back, or weeks back, we addressed this
Yeah. Oh damn.
and this? You can see how wheel is moving,
There's a lot of movement there.
because they usually go sideways with that side, and that's probably every single time he goes, it's fucking up more.
Nice, nice.
Other than that, well, there's not much to check, to be fair, here.
Other than that, it's just a little bit crispy. But it's
Very crispy.
Yeah, crispy here,
BMWs.
crispy here.
Damn.
Good that the fuel tank is plastic.
Yeah.
No corrosion.
Yeah, but what's holding the fuel tank is not plastic.
Don't touch it.
Not that. And these brake lines, they're looking crispy.
Still braking.
Huh. Nice, very nice, very nice. The front check. Yeah. See this side.
It's fine.
It's converting into
It's
Flintstones.
lighter than carbon fibre. And it's, what's the word I'm looking for? Active weight reduction, there you go.
There you go.
In progress, sort of.
Little oil leak somewhere.
Right here and right here.
Oh,
Gearbox.
gearbox is leaking oil as well.
It's leaking here as well.
I need to find where that goes.
Steering
Steering
pump.
fluid, yeah.
That's so common on these for the steering pump to leak.
Is it?
Yeah.
He's leaking.
Yeah, it's so common.
Nice, very nice.
Whoa. It's the alternator cracked. Look,
Alternator is cracked.
look here.
Oh, I see. Let me get the camera.
Ah. Nice.
Damn.
Oh, I can get it on. I don't know if you can see on camera, to be fair, but he is cracked. He's proper cracked. Drift car, bro. Where is your sway bar?
What's way bar?
There isn't one.
Well,
'cause it
there is
should
a
be here.
space for one.
Yeah.
It was.
We don't need that where we're going.
Okay.
I haven't got one on the rear either.
No?
No sway bars at all.
Belt is
Nice.
asking for
Maximum grip.
replacement soon as well.
The belts.
Yeah.
You do look a little old.
See
It
here?
needs.
How about the radiator?
It's fine, it's not leaking.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, at least it's not leaking.
I'm more worried about alternator. To be fair.
It'll be fine.
Until
It'll
it's
be
not.
fine. It'll be fine. You can bump start it. It'll be fine.
Well, the good news is at least we have a place where to fix
You
it.
know what the good news is?
What?
We could put it in a lift.
Yeah, it isn't
We
leaking.
wouldn't have known about it otherwise.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. see?
And I'd have kept driving it around. No care in the world.
We solved the mystery.
We solved the mystery, there wasn't a mystery.
There
No.
was no mystery, but
Can you put this car on the lift? Because I was
well,
a
yeah.
bit, concerned about
It
it.
is crispy, but it's on lift. To be fair.
It's the 90s car. It's gonna be crispy.
True.
And the shell's only on like 89,000 miles, so
Not that much.
it's
No.
fine.
Yeah,
It's fine.
that's good as new.
Yeah.
Basically.
It come out the factory with it.
Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Obviously, it's been a big journey for us and we're loving it with a big space. So more videos coming. Make sure you like and subscribe. Or at least subscribe, don't like it. I don't know, do whatever you want. And
No, subscribe. That's gonna help. That's what we looking after you, don't we?
peace out.
Bye bye.
Who's cleaning the floor?
You!